Okay, hello everyone. Good evening once again. So this is an emergency class. So we will have to continue with the lessons that we had left last time, right? So last time we also discussed the same slide, but not all of the not all inside the slide was discussed already, right? So we are up to some pronoun. If I am not mistaken, we are already in pronouns. But since we are actually doing the class with which it is actually an emergency class, I think I will have to go back. Okay, we will have to review our lessons last time, right? So that some of you who were not able to be with us last time can still be able to cope up with the lessons. Okay, so this is what Sir Harry has given me, and I was able to transfer it in a slide, in a PPT, PowerPoint presentation. But since we have so many, we still have so many lessons that we need to discuss. Actually, if you look at it, it is not all of those that was given to me by Sir Harry was already inside this slide. Okay, inside this presentation. Some of those are here, but not all of those are already inside this presentation. Okay, so last time, we talk about grammar, but for in particular, we are talking about finding subjects and verbs. Okay, if I am not mistaken, I have been asking this one. When you are in a sentence or when you are making a sentence, which will come first? Is it a subject or is it a verb? Who can still remember? Is that? I think I heard somebody answering. If you are making a subject, very good. When we are going to make a simple sentence, most of the time, we can actually see the subject first followed by the verb. Take note, subject and verbs. When we talk about verbs, verb does not actually focus only on the action words, right? It also is talking about the what? What other verb are we talking about aside from action words? Aside from action verbs. Wait a minute. Excuse me.
Ma'am Samira. Okay, recording. Okay, Mom. Okay, that's good. Mom, first, stop recording. Yeah, stop the recording.
Okay, sir. Wait, sir.
Yeah, stop recording. Can you do that?
Okay, sir.
Go